here. I am broadcasting live via my phone, and I figured, you know what, we're gonna just fuck around and do something kind of cool for a minute. So, if this is going out live, which since YouTube Live kind of sucks right now, and I don't know if it is, I'm gonna strap this fucking phone to this fucking drone, and I'm gonna fly you bitches around, dude. So we're gonna see if we can make that fucking work. All right. Let's see here. So let's get the old drone. Bam. Up and ready, dude. Okay, so I believe I did take it out for a flight earlier today, but it should have enough power to fly again. So we're gonna find out. And I have another fully charged battery, so we should be good to go. So let's see here. And now I got to figure out a way to attach you guys to the Skype is better, Kyle. Yeah, but Skype is not on YouTube now, is it? And Skype sucks. How can I strap the phone to the drone? Let me think here. See, I think I got it planned, dude. Okay, I wonder if I put the phone like that, and then, so I'm just trying to configure some stuff here, and then stuff it like that. If that would make a difference. Gone because our UFO hangouts didn't fucking work. That's why. Joan better than you tell jokes. Ah, wah, wah. And, no, I'm really good at telling jokes as opposed to my drone flying, which sucks. I wonder how I could get this bitch attached on here, dude. Because I'd love to fly you guys around live. But I don't even know if we could because, I don't know if this is on Wi-Fi or if this is on data. I thought I turned the Wi-Fi off. All right, so this is just on the data. All right, so this should work. All right, I just have to figure out a way to get you guys on there without destroying my fucking drone or my phone. Let's see. I don't know, man. Maybe not. This ought to be interesting, right? What up, Smooth? So I'm trying to fly you guys around on this fucking drone, which is awesome, by the way. But how can I attach it so you guys could see something to make it easy, you know? I'm thinking, Velcro, hot glue, zip ties maybe. Yeah, there you go, zip ties. I got some zip ties that would probably work. I don't know if they're long enough though. No, they're not long enough, man. I'd have to zip a bunch of them together. That's sucking. I don't know if I have enough. Well, I got some straps though. Velcro comes loose. Yeah, this is good fucking Velcro though. You got crummy Velcro, obviously. I get the good shit. Let me see here. Oh, I know. In my bag. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Okay, I got you. I get this CVS Velcro. What? I Velcro fucking everything. I love Velcro. Alright, so you can see here there's some straps. Bet you I could strap this one. That's what we'll do. Okay, so we're gonna try to strap this bitch on, dude. Because if we can't sit and have a fucking awesome hangout, well then we're gonna have a fucking awesome destruction. I'm gonna fucking fly you bitches right into the fucking moon, dude. So let's see here. We got the straps. Make sure these are going the right way. Okay, so starter thinking at its best. That's right, man. Okay, so now let me see here. Let me pull this up. Yay, Moon, here we come. Let's do it, Moon. All right, let's see here. Okay. Okay, this is kind of a pain in the butt. Listen, gonna get this hooked up. All right. So let's see here. I can kind of keep it off to the side like that. Yeah, here we go. What the fuck was that? Oh, it was this. Okay, so now keep getting blown up here. Okay, so now it looks like we're mounted on the drone, at least for a little bit. I'm gonna have to get some extra protection on there. So let me see. All right, set that right there. I gotta get something else on there. Let me see, what else could we put on there? I'm going to throw I think I have some more of those straps, but I'd like something a little more secure. Maybe like fucking tape. Okay. All right. We're gonna make sure that this bitch doesn't come off. All right. So we're gonna tape the fuck out of this thing, and then I'm sending you guys to the fucking moon. All right. There we go. Let's see here. All right, so I don't think you guys are going anywhere now. All right, so I think you're nice and secure on there. It feels like we're being tied up, and you are. All right. All right, so now that you're tied up on there, I believe you are good to go. Hopefully the camera should just stay straight. So let's do this. All right. All right, here we go, you guys. Going outside. Okay. All right, so we are outside, and since this is using the Wi-Fi, I should just be able to go anywhere and broadcast this. So I believe. So we're gonna go back here where I usually fly my drone, and I'm gonna fucking fly you bitches to fucking Saturn, dude. All right. So hopefully this is still streaming live. It does look like we have some more viewers on here, so excellent so far. This fucking drone weighs like fucking 16 pounds, dude, and this fucking remote weighs like 5 pounds, man. It's like the heaviest fucking drone I've ever lifted in my life, dude. But hopefully this should work out as planned, because if not, I mean, this drone is like a $1,500 drone, even though I literally got this bitch for $100, dude. But it does have a brand new Galaxy S8 Plus strapped to the top of it. So if this goes bad, it's really going bad. Hopefully everything will work out just fine. All right, so here we go. We're up to my spot. That's where I like to come to kind of fly around. Okay, so set you guys down. Hey, careful. Okay, so turn the camera around. All right. See this blade when I hit that. Oh yeah, look at it. Oh. All right, so what I had to do was make sure that the let me turn this around. All right, so I had to make sure that the propeller blade wasn't hitting the phone, which it in fact was. So thank God I thought about that. All right, so here we go. Okay. Try to keep this bitch up. Look, got room. All right. Okay, so here we go. Start this bitch up. Okay, we're gonna pray that nothing happens here, all right? Yes, you should have warned me about that. Where were you on that one, Smooth, you fuck? Okay. We gotta let the remote turn on. And then we gotta turn on the drone. All right. What up, Blake and Brent? Thank you, dude. We're gonna do this shit live, bitches. All right. So here we go. Okay, I'm about to fly you fuckers to the moon. Okay, I gotta wait until I have enough satellites linked up. So this should be a lot of fun. And I'm thinking, since it is a since it's going off my mobile data, that you should be able to just fucking fly around, right? Yep, GPS warm-up, dude. Need 6 sats. I know, I usually get like fucking like 16 sats on here, dude. All right. Oh God, okay, I got 14 satellites. GPS is ready. Here we go, dude. Oh, fuck me, dude. All right, here we go, you guys. Let me turn the camera around. Here we go. Oh shit, did that work, dude? Are we still on? Oh, dude, it fucking worked, dude. My fucking battery died, man. Oh, dude, my battery died on my. I should have brought another battery and put another battery in, man. But holy fuck, dude, that fucking totally worked, man. Landed right on Uranus, man. Go to 1,800 feet and see if there's a world is round like that retard. Yeah, right? What a fucking douchebag. I can't believe that fucking worked, dude. That was fucking awesome, dude. You know, it makes me think, you know, I could actually pilot this thing for like a long distance, dude. Aerial view. Yeah, you didn't know I was poor? Duh. If you couldn't fucking tell, dude. I live in a stack of crates. Shit. Damn, dude. I mean, it makes me think that I could, because the camera for my Typhoon is actually broken. It's fucked up. I have to get a new one, you know. And this makes me think I could actually fly FPV using like another, you know, like using YouTube Live and strapping my phone to it and then just flying around, dude. I mean, I should be able to get the signal from anywhere that I get a mobile internet signal, right? I mean, smooth, would that work? I mean, it's working for you guys right now. I don't know how much of a delay there is in the camera, but I mean, it'd still be mean, yeah, theoretically it should work, man. Live in a van down by the river, right? Fuck, dude. I can't believe that fucking worked, dude. I want to see the footage of it, dude. Was that fun? That was probably awesome, dude. I'm a fucking genius. It worked perfectly? Yes, sir, dude. That's fucking smooth as hell, man. Oh, dude. I cannot believe that fucking worked, man. That is so awesome. Oh, shit, dude. That's so funny. I'm a fucking genius. Alright, let me see here. Dude, gotta be careful. There, man. Oh my God in heaven. Alright, so that's awesome. It worked. That's good to know. Your head was growing by the minute. Yes, it was. It was like it was actually my dick head. It was like pow. I was getting a hard on the higher every minute I went up. I was like, yes. Dude, I cannot believe that fucking worked, man. That is so cool. I'm glad I was able to tune in into this one. Hell yeah, bro. Dude, fuck yeah, man. I cannot believe that fucking worked, dude. I want to see the footage of it now, dude. Like, I want to go back in and fucking watch this shit now, but oh well. Damn, dude. All right, so I guess I'm gonna try to you know, give Hangouts another shot again. That's you know, because that really pisses me off, dude. Because I really like to have it so everyone can sit and bullshit, you know. But I'm glad to know that this experiment worked. Fucking genius, dude. I've just missed you, bro. Damn, dude, you just missed the fucking ultimate flight, dude. Yep. Dude, this was a great one, dude. You just missed, dude, because I just flew you bitches around on a fucking drone, dude. I took you up to the moon, dude. Damn. Damn, dude, I want to see what it was like, dude. I want to see this now. Oh, man. Well, all right, so, well, that fucking worked. I can't believe that worked, dude. That's so awesome, man. So, the UFOs with the drone now. Exactly, dude. And that's what I'm hoping for, man, you know? I saw Third Phases live, and they had you guys had a drone. Did you guys have a drone? Did you have a camera on your drone? I forget. Or were you guys just doing it through your camera phone or what? Blake and Brent. I want to know. Because I remember seeing it, but I can't remember if it was in the air or something or what, man. Osmo Mobile? Alright. Homeless, but a house. Kyle's homeless, but with a house. Oh, I get it. He just can't spell, that's all. It's just like you can read without letters. Oh, awesome. Alright, so, okay, so let's try out, but we might try the drone with the phone. Great idea. That's my idea. I need 30% of your fucking fees, all right? So all your ad revenue, 30% will now go to me when you steal my idea, you fuckers. No, go ahead, dude. Fucking throw your camera on there, dude, and fly that bitch around, man. You know? See, you're lucky because there's two of you guys, man, you know? So you got like the fucking, you can be on camera and someone controlling it too, you know, and see, you know, it's fucking smart, you know? Say we saw it here first. That's right, dude. That's what you do, man. I don't give a fuck if you do that or not. Fucking more power to you. Fly it around. You want to say you saw it here first? Go for it, man. But yeah, dude. I mean, it fucking, dude, it totally works, man. It fucking worked. I just took you bitches for a ride and I proved that shit, dude. It fucking works, dude. Damn, dude. That's so smooth, man. Now I just want to see the video. All right, so I guess I'm gonna take this shit down. I gotta take my girl to work at 1, and then I'm gonna come back and try to do the live, try to do Google Hangouts again as soon as I get back from dropping my girl off at work. So we'll give that a shot, and hopefully I got a better idea. But we need a stationary position. How much you got into that? Into this so far, the drone, $100, dude. $100 for this fucking $1,500 drone, man. You know. And I got the two remotes. I got the ST16 and the ST10 Plus remote, man. and it's got the camera, but the camera needs to be rewired. Which if I knew the configuration, I could do. I mean, I have the soldering stuff, but either which way, I got $100 into it. You know? Shot some rockets to that beast after you get it up as far as it goes with its power, then kick in the rockets. Yep, we can do this cheap. Oh yeah, dude. You know, but I mean, this totally worked. You know, but this drone, the Typhoon H, man, it's an expensive drone, man. But it lifts the phone and everything in its little holder, no problem. You know, it was just like a little tripod for it. You know, but I mean, it totally. Where's my knife? It totally lifted it, man. So. All right, well, I guess I'll get off here, and we can try to do the Hangouts live, and discuss our flight as soon as I bring my girl back, or as soon as I get back. I drop my girl off at work. All right. So let's give that a shot, and I will talk to you guys later. All right, everybody. UFO Proof out. All right, don't forget, come back, you guys. Right after 1, we'll be doing the Google Hangouts. All right. Put the phone like that, and then, so I'm just trying to configure some stuff here, and then stuff it like that, if that would make a difference. Gone, because our UFO Hangouts didn't fucking work, that's why. Drone better than you tell jokes. Wah, wah. And, no, I'm really good at telling jokes as opposed to my drone flying, which sucks. I wonder how I could get this bitch attached on here, dude, because I'd love to fly you guys around live, but I don't even know if we could, because, I don't know if this is on Wi-Fi or if this is on data. I thought I turned the Wi-Fi off. All right, so this is just on the Velcro. Hot glue, zip ties maybe? Yeah, there you go, zip ties. I got some zip ties. That would probably work. I don't know if they're long enough though. No, they're not long enough, man. I'd have to zip a bunch of them together. I'm sucking. I don't know if I have enough. Well, I got some straps though. Velcro comes loose. Yeah, this is good fucking Velcro though. You got crummy Velcro, obviously. I get the good shit. Let me see here. Oh, I know. In my bag. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Okay, I got you. I get this data. All right, so this should work. All right, I just have to figure out a way to get you guys on there without destroying my fucking drone or my phone. Let's see. I don't know, man. Maybe not. This ought to be interesting, right? What up, Smooth? So I'm trying to fly you guys around on this fucking drone, which is awesome, by the way. But how can I attach it so you guys could see something to make it easy, you know? I'm thinking, here. I am broadcasting live via my phone, and I figured, you know what, we're gonna just fuck around, do something kind of cool for a minute. So, if this is going out live, which since YouTube Live kind of sucks right now, and I don't know if it is, I'm gonna strap this fucking phone to this fucking drone, and I'm gonna fly you bitches around. So we're gonna see if we can make that fucking work. All right. Let's see here. So let's get the old drone. Bam. Up and ready, dude. Okay, so I believe I did take it out for a flight earlier today, but it should have enough power to fly again. So we're gonna find out. And I have another fully charged battery, so we should be good to go. So let's see here. And now I got to figure out a way to attach you guys to the Skype is better, Kyle. Yeah, but Skype is not on YouTube now, is it? And Skype sucks. How can I strap the phone to the drone? Let me think here. See, I think I got it planned, dude. Okay, I wonder if I